down, going all the way up to Lancashire in expedition to Lucy. In third place, we have number 992, Martin West, Riverbank Pole, and 980 is fourth place. 980 Rockaway Bridge is again the Foster's Pole, the property of Davis and Bennett. In fifth place is number 984. 984 is Matthew Gibson's Riverbank Pole and Go Back to Boston to Kelvin Glen. And 9910 takes the sixth place. 9910 is the
Wel, mae yna haul, a mae yna wenu, a mae yna gymeradwyo hefyd yma yn y prif gylch gan bod yna wobr arall wedi cael ei rhoi yn Adran Ec, y merlod Cymreig teip cob i'r ebolion. Llon gyferchiadau gwresog i Popsters Fowl yn eiddo i Mr Justin Davis a Miss Heidi Bennett.
Following the forecast, we are mountain passes to 64 and 80 37 which is pretty goal.